Hello everyone, my name is Vaidas, aka 𝐆𝐒𝐼𝐅, and in this video we're gonna talk how to install paint protection film on the bumper using template. We are using GSWF Perfect Cut Template software. We already pre-cut template for this bumper, and my colleague Arnoldas is removing excess film. And what's left on this piece is it is our bumper. After Arnoldas will finish with removing this excess film, we're gonna spray water and we're gonna take this film and we're gonna place on the bumper. So my colleague applied slip solution on the bumper, and now is the time to place the film on it. Film is on the bumper, and now is the time to place it in the right spot. We prefer to remove from the template all sensors, washers, and just have a main piece of film. Now I'm applying this top line, then we're gonna go down, so we're wrapping around this edge. We're gonna use our tack solution. I will stretch a bit using my palm just to make it even, but I don't want to stretch too much. I just need to stretch just enough. If you found a dirt under the film, you can lick your finger and remove it. That's it. Now we're going to spray our tack solution. And now I will continue working towards this way. Depends on the shape on the bumper. Sometimes we start from the middle and sometimes we start from the edges. But it's up to the bumper shape. So where's going to be our next tack point? Probably now we're going to stretch all the way and I will tack right there. To tack it, we need to use our tack solution. So and now we can apply this area. Because we want to have a nice and straight line, so let's focus on them. Find a dust particle, you can lift the film very easy, spray more water, remove the dust, and reapply the panel. When our all lines are in the place, all what we need to do is just to finish the flat parts and remove water from under the film. All this hanging film, we just need to spray our tack solution. As well, you can use steamer for it, but in this video we're gonna work just with the tack solution. When we clean the soap from under the film, we can tack it. You can use finger if you want. When it will dry, we're gonna cut out this film from the sensors and washers. So this side is pretty much finished. We still need to let it dry. Then we're gonna cut out the sensors and film from the washers, and we're gonna place a new piece on it. And now we're gonna repeat the same on another side. So this was the way we're applying paint protection film on the panel, in this case on the bumper. To repeat our steps, we're focusing and starting from the edge and keeping all lines straight, stretching from one part to other part using our palm. Don't grab the corner, don't stretch like this. Just from corner to the corner. And when it looks good, you just remove the rest of the water from under the film. I hope this video was helpful for you. With you was me, 𝐆𝐼, and I will see you next time. Bye.